Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download IMVU app on Android. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Play Store. In the search bar, type in IMVU and perform your search. Now tap on the application. Then tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. It will take a while to download this app. And this is how you can download IMVU on Android. Thanks for watching Web Solution. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.